what would you say has been, from your standpoint, you are an analytics engineer, from your standpoint, has been the biggest benefits of the infrastructure switching from Airflow to Bolt?
I think it's the equivalent of any managed service infrastructure, for example, where like you don't really have to worry much about the infrastructure. You worry just about your jobs and like getting your stuff done, which is what is important to the business at the end of the day, right?
Mm.
Like for this right now, when with Paradigm, we just focus more on, okay, if the job is failing, we get the notification, act on it, fix it, so that business has data at the right time to make those decisions. But like when I remember times when we were doing with Airflow, I believe sometimes it was okay, but okay, why is this stuck? We probably need a hard restart of the entire instance, or maybe we need to do a full deploy, maybe some S3 bucket, something was missing, and things like that. So you also have to constantly think about infrastructure and how it's being managed, and with even version upgrades and all such as dependencies and all of the management. So all the infrastructure management also adds up as a little burden when you're doing it all by yourself. But with Paradigm now, all of that is taken care of. So you focus more on like doing your job.
Yeah, no, that I think that's a great articulation, because yeah, I try to explain this all the time, but having a real person, real customer, a real user actually explain drives home the point much better than I can do probably.